Tronssien's rectangle 10-foot by 13-foot sunshade sail is a neat, no-frills way to add cool, breathable shade to a patio or poolside. The Amazon listing shows it as the Tronssien rectangle 10-foot by 13-foot sunshade sail, and the product page lists key specs right up front. The price varies by size and color. Amazon third-party listings often put the 10 by 13 around the $60 mark in the US, with other regional listings showing similar mid-$50 to low-$70 pricing, so expect some fluctuation depending on seller and options. What stands out in the spec sheet is real, practical stuff. 185 GSM high-density shade fabric, UV treatment claiming up to 95% UV blockage, double-stitched seams, stainless D-rings at the corners, and included high-strength ropes for basic anchoring. Basically everything you need for a tidy tension install. In everyday use that translates to cooler, breezier shade. It's breathable rather than a rain tarp, and the listing also advises leaving some slack for shrinkage and not over-tensioning. Small but handy installation tips. Customer feedback on the Amazon page is solid. The family of listings averages about 4.4 out of 5 stars, with thousands of purchases recently, with reviewers calling out good value, decent durability, and ease of setup while reminding buyers it's not a waterproof cover. If you're after an affordable, low-maintenance shade upgrade for summer hangouts, this one's worth a shot. And yes, we share buy links in description box so you can grab the exact size and color I'm talking